Hello, Andy here from Living in Weymouth YouTube channel. On today's video we fly the whole length of Weymouth Beach with our Mini 2 drone. Along the way I'll be telling you about some of the interesting things you can find on the seafront here in Weymouth. So without further ado, let's get right into it and get the intro playing. So here on the east end of Weymouth Beach is Bowleaze Cove. The water here is safe for children to swim in, and there is an amusement arcade and fun fair nearby. There's also a fish and chip shop, ice cream shop and gift shops here too. All this and a car park makes it ideal for a family day out. Bowleaze Cove Beach is mainly a pebble beach, but one thing to point out here is the nearer we get to the other end of the beach, at the Pavilion end, the sandier the beach gets. If you want to see a drone video of just this beach, Bowleaze Cove, please click on the link on the screen now. You can also find the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please hit the like button and maybe even consider subscribing. Moving along the beach, we reach Oasis Cafe, which is, and I quote from their webpage, a stylish and fashionable cafe bar with incredible views, easy parking, excellent food and drinks served by polite and friendly staff. Here you can buy hot and cold snacks, breakfast and lunch, or maybe just a takeout coffee. Check the link in the description below for the full menu and opening times. Coming up on the right hand side is Lodmore Nature Reserve. This is a great place to go for a walk. You're likely to see a variety of different birds, including warblers, gulls, ducks, kingfishers and lots more. It's free to get in and there's a car park next door. Lodmore is open daily from dawn till dusk. Next on the right is the front skate park. With a large range of different sized ramps, there's something for every skill level. I'll stick to the snack bar inside the shop, thanks. It's open all year round and it is in fact a not-for-profit skate park. After this is the Sea Life Centre. Plenty to see and do here for all the family. Link in the description below for all the information. The large clump of rocks going into the sea is called the Groin and separates Preston Beach and Greenhill Beach. Quite often you'll find a group of swimmers here taking the plunge for a cold water swim. You can just about see a few in the video. Next up is a bowling green and tennis courts. After that, the award-winning Green Hill Gardens is next. With its winding paths, beautiful flower arrangement, a bandstand for events and a small cafe, it's the perfect place to chill out with a snack and a drink. The large building on the beach that we're about to fly directly over is Al Mollo. Open Monday to Sunday, this Italian restaurant has amazing views out to sea. A lot of the food and drink here is sourced locally, and according to their website, it was voted by Forbes magazine as Italy's greatest gastronomic treasure. From here on is the main part of Weymouth Beach. The sea is shallow for quite a way out, and the sand is perfect. It's the ideal place for kids. Weymouth Beach is also host to many events, including the Beach Motocross, Chase the Pudding Santa Dash, Hands in the Sand, and many more events throughout the year. Top left in the video you can see the Pavilion. Here you'll find shows, stand-up comedy, panto and much more. With a huge car park too, it's the ideal place to park if you're going to the beach. I hope you've enjoyed the video and don't forget, it's free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.